Oh, the excitement. Here they come, Bonnie and Clyde. Here comes all your best buddies in the world. Oh my goodness. Go open the other door. Yeah, I saw that. The Khaki Campbells don't really fly. They just sort of hop and flap their wings. There they go. Have fun, call ducks, in your little pond. The Khaki Campbell wants to fly, but they're not really very good flyers. Look at, they want so badly. Yeah, it makes them a little bit faster, that's for sure. That was pretty funny. Oh my gosh, that was cool.